People get sick of waiting on the weather to put up hay. They have just such a small window, and switching to this silage baler and making silage really allows you to have a smaller weather window.
And we can get the bales in and off the field and wrap pretty quick.
Reap the benefits of silage without the hassles. The 504 and 604 Pro G4 balers from Vermeer are ready to bale silage or dry hay to help you put up high-quality nutrition for your herd. Choose your preferred cut length for optimizing bale density, silage quality, feed mixing time, and digestibility with a 17-knife chopping system.
You can run knives, which is nice for us as dairymen. When we put the hay in the mixer wagon, it's already somewhat ground up, so it saves fuel, it saves time. Maybe a little bit more time baling it if you chop it up, but I haven't noticed that because, I mean, you can go about as fast as you want to go.
Down here in the south, when we get into a drought, there's not a lot of silage being put up, but typically people will let those crops get a little longer, a little more rank. And so having the ability to chop that and increase your palatability and digestibility and actually make it a little bit more of a quality crop than what it would have been otherwise is a massive feature.
Select 8 or 9 knives from the Atlas Pro control system for a moderate cut length, or all 17 knives for maximum processing. Operators can also opt to lower both knife banks to bale without chopping at all.
One big feature the Pro Baler has is a double knife bank. A lot of our competitors offer as standard just a single knife bank where either all your knives are down or all your knives are up, and you can't switch knife banks from the cab. We offer as standard 2 knife banks. You can switch to 8 knives, 9 knives, 17 knives, 0 knives right from the cab.
Baling wet and heavy crops can come with its challenges. The last thing anyone wants to be doing is clearing a plug from the pickup. That's why Vermeer has a drop floor that flexes during baling to help crop flow into the bale chamber with ease.
To be able to get into any kind of challenging crops, maybe cut turn rows a little tight, if you have some green spots in the field, you truly have a peace of mind knowing that no matter if you plug or whatever challenge you may have, you have that drop floor there to where you can remove that plug and continue on with your day.
If a plug does occur, operators can hydraulically lower the floor to clear a plug without ever leaving the cab.
You can drop the floor and then turn your PTO back on and hay goes right in.
Anyone that I've seen who bales with a drop floor really won't go back to not having one. It's a huge game-changing feature for a lot of our customers.
Speaking of the cab, operators can monitor and control the outcome of their bales from the seat of the tractor with the Atlas Pro control system.
The ease of the monitor, I mean, it has been fun and easy to deal with for me.
I really think this sets us apart from the competition. If you run a lot of our competition's balers, they just don't have the same intuitiveness, the same look, the same feel to their monitors. It's harder to navigate. To be able to jump in the cab of the tractor, hook up the Atlas Pro monitor and be able to understand exactly what's going on from bale 1 and really be able to navigate easily and intuitively through your different menus and your different options, I think is a really big feature that we have.
Vermeer has all of your hay and forage needs covered, from the field to the bunk and everything in between.
When we've taken these balers out to customers for them to use it the first time, they're typically amazed by both the capacity and just the overall bale appearance. The complete package that it puts out, combined with the reliability and durability that baler offers, truly makes it a special unit.
Versatility, durability, and ease of use. The Generation 4 Pro balers by Vermeer will make a bale your herd will thank you for.